Hey, what's up guys? John here at Tekmogo. I hope you all had a happy new year. So first video of 2022. I'm super excited to get this year started. Today we take a look at something different, but kind of the same. This is the Apple Watch SE. Now you can pick this up on Amazon or directly from Apple. I'll put links in the description in case you want to check it out. Just a heads up, the Amazon links are affiliate links. If you make a purchase using the links, and it doesn't have to be the watch, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. So I've always wanted an Apple Watch, but have been hesitant to pick one up due to being invested in the Fitbit ecosystem for many years now. Over the holidays, I found a great deal on the Apple Watch SE that I couldn't pass up. So in this video, I'll unbox the watch, take a look at its features and specs, and I'll let you know what I think of it. So it comes in this white box. On the top, it has the Apple logo and the word watch next to it, front and center. The bottom of the box, you have a barcode, the model, the color, the band type, and the size. Inside the box, you've got two more boxes, one for the band and the other has the watch inside. The model I bought has the sport band. Inside the box, you get two bands, one for medium-large wrist and the other for small. At the top here, you got a little tutorial on how to install the band to your watch. The sport band is made out of fluoroelastomer. It's famous for its durability, resistance to heat, oils, solvents, and fuels. This material is awesome. No fingerprints or lint buildup on the band, unlike bands made out of silicone. It's super easy to keep clean, and it's also very comfy for all-day wear. Now inside the watch box, you get your charging cable and the watch. Now for the watch, this watch comes in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm. The 40mm retails for $279, and the 44mm retails for $309. I opted for the 44mm. I like the bigger display, and I feel it looks better on my wrist compared to the smaller display. And also the watch comes in a few different colors. I opted for the space gray. It's made out of aluminum and looks very premium. Build quality is on point. It's waterproof up to 50 meters or 164 feet, so no problem if you're around water. The screen has Apple's Retina display and is crystal clear. It's very vibrant and easy to read. On the side here, you have your on-off button, the mic, and the crown. On the other side, you've got your speakers. The watch can be worn with the crown on the top right or the bottom left. I wear it on the bottom left as it felt better to me. My thumb is naturally positioned and rests on the crown. When you press the crown, the app menu comes up. Here's where you can access all your installed apps like the weather app, music player, and the app store. Scrolling the crown, you can zoom in or out of the screen. The touchscreen is very fluid with no lag. The watch can do everything that I would want in a smartwatch, like track activities, calories burned, control music, answer and send text messages. You can also answer and make calls directly from the watch, Inspector Gadget style. Here's a quick sound and mic check for you. What's up guys, John here at Tekmogo, testing out the Apple Watch SE mic. Microphone check 1 2, microphone check 1 2. Not bad, right? Now with all the great things this watch can do, it isn't perfect. The battery life is terrible. Max life is around 2 days before you need to recharge. So if going on a long trip, you're going to want some type of power bank to recharge on the go. Also, this watch has this ambient light feature where the brightness is set based on how much ambient light you have, which is cool when you're outside in bright sunlight. The watch automatically adjusts to full brightness so you can see the screen. My problem is, when you're in dimly lit room, the watch is also dimly lit, but a little too dim for my liking. The features intended purpose is on the right track, but again, it's a little too dim for my liking and I can't figure out a way to adjust it. If there is a way to adjust the minimum dim amount, please let me know in the comments. It also doesn't have the always on screen feature like the Series 7, but with the poor battery life, it's probably for the best. But overall, this watch is awesome, even with its quirks. Now with all that said, if you're in the Apple ecosystem, the Apple Watch is the best watch for you in my opinion. It just integrates so well with the other Apple products like the iPhone, AirPods, and MacBook. So that's going to be it for this video guys. Once I've had the watch a little longer, I'll make a more complete review video. Now, if you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button. It really does help the channel be found. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.